Hey everyone! Welcome back to Click Info Time. Today, we're talking about something that can completely transform your car's interior: car seat covers. Stick around because I'll show you how to choose the right ones and install them like a pro. First, why even bother with seat covers? Here are the top reasons: protection, spills, stains, and wear can ruin your seats. Comfort, added cushioning or cooling fabric for long drives. Style, customize your car's look without expensive upholstery. Resale value, keep your original seats in perfect condition. But not all seat covers are the same. Let's break down the best options. Universal versus custom fit. Universal covers are cheaper but may not fit perfectly. Custom fit covers are made for your exact car model, snug and professional. Material choices: neoprene, waterproof, sporty look, leather/faux leather, luxury feel, easy to clean, fabric/cloth, breathable, comfortable, sheepskin/wool, great for cold climates. Special features: heated/cooled seats compatibility, pockets and storage for extra convenience, pet-friendly covers with anti-scratch material. Your choice depends on budget, needs, and how long you want them to last. Step 1. Remove headrests, if needed. Step 2. Slide the cover over the seat, start from the top and work your way down. Step 3. Secure straps and hooks, tighten under the seat for a snug fit. Step 4. Adjust and smooth out wrinkles, make sure it looks clean and professional. Pro tip: if your covers have seat anchors, make sure they're locked in place so they don't shift while driving. And that's it. Now you know how to pick the best car seat covers and install them easily. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. And if you want a full review on a specific brand, let me know.